Happy day, children. Our transdisciplinary theme is how we express ourselves. That is, it is an inquiry into the ways in which we discover and express ideas, feelings, nature, culture, beliefs, and values, the ways in which we reflect on, extend, and enjoy our creativity, our appreciation of the aesthetic. Our central idea is the elements of art allow people to convey ideas and explore. Our lines of inquiry are elements in visual art and the art expression described in our artwork. Then comes is our key concepts, and they are form, function, and connection. In our visual arts, we are going to learn about landscape drawing. What is landscape drawing? Landscape drawing refers to an artwork whose primary focus is natural sceneries such as mountains, forests, cliffs, trees, rivers, valleys, etc. For our landscape drawing, we are referring today one of the artist's work, and he is Claude Monet. Claude Monet is a French painter who was the initiator, leader, and unswerving advocate of the Impression style. We are referring today is one of the famous artwork, the Water Lily Pond, and then creating our own landscape drawing. His notable works are water lilies and lilac irises. So can we start our landscape drawing? Take your drawing note and draw the margin. After that, first observe the video twice so that it is easy for you to draw. 2 straight lines and then adding up with 2 curved lines. And then a straight line and a U shape, 2 lines so that we can form a bridge in it. For this landscape drawing, I have used a medium of color pencil. Now I am just adding up the lines so that it looks that under the bridge the water is there. Take a light blue color pencil and color it as per video. You have to just give in the cross direction so that it gives the shade look, and adding up with the dark blue. One side it is dark blue and another side it is light blue. When we give a dark shade, it gives a value of a deeper in the bridge, which gives a look of a underneath. Upper part of the bridge and then adding up the shade in it. Now I am drawing a top tree look with a dark green and yellow shade. The upper part is our sky, and that is I am giving a shade with a light blue, dark blue and a purple color. Once we finish the sky, now giving a shade in the bottom part of the bridge with a brown color, just a line and then little bit shade in it, and then adding up the brown color in the grass look. For the look of the water, I am adding little bit more blue and a white shade in it, and then adding up little yellow color of a shade, and giving a tree look with a black color and just a line shade in it. Now adding up the white color shade in a curved line so that it gives a presence of the bridge. Adding up little bit blue color in it. And now giving the outline for our tree and the background look of the tree. For the tree look, I have just given the lines with a black color pencil. I have done it twice so that it gives a dark look in it. Finally, adding up the grass look in our drawing with a black, brown and a green shade. In this landscape drawing, our approaches to learning are that we are developing our thinking skills and research skills. Thinking skills is learning about the landscape and what all the things we are using in our drawing for the landscape. Research skills is we are using our own creativity in our landscape. So, our learner profile attributes are thinker and inquirer. Our learning outcome is to develop our understanding with the landscape drawing and to create our own in our artwork. Once you finish your artwork, take a pic of your work and upload it. Thank you, children.